To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down.
Press outwards on the wire clip tab and then pull backwards to remove it.
Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Disengage the fasteners.
Pull the housing back towards you to disengage the tabs from their catch.
Remove the old filter from the housing.
Insert your new filter into the housing. Align the tabs on the housing door.
Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the wires. Reinstall the sensor. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.